Hi guys. So obviously I'm not at school today. Today is a little bit different because I'm not going to get on Zoom with you. You're going to watch this recorded video of me, and then on the next slide you're going to watch a video of me reading the next section from the Birch Bark House. But I'm not actually going to see you live. I'm actually absent today. So yesterday and at the beginning of the week, we talked about the War of 1812, Andrew Jackson, the Indian Removal Act, and then yesterday we did the review and you completed the quiz. Today we're moving on to the Civil War. And we're not looking at the entire Civil War, we're looking at Tennessee's role in the Civil War. So we're really focusing on battles that happened in Tennessee as part of the Civil War, and we're looking at important people from Tennessee who participated in the war, just things about Tennessee in general in the Civil War. So today will be the last day of social studies. We're going to stop here. And then we will have science next week like normal. And then when we pick back up with social studies, we'll start where we left off at the Civil War and move into sort of a new section of history where we're talking about some different things. So the next slide, like I said, is the Birch Bark House read aloud. And then after that is the same Nearpod expectations that you have seen every day this week. Keeping only this tab open, watching the videos all the way through. All that stuff. There is a video in the Nearpod today that is from Liberty's Kids. I don't know if you all watch those cartoons in 4th grade. It is a little bit longer of a video, but it talks about some of the reasons the Civil War started in general. And I think that it's important that you understand that before we talk about why Tennessee was in the Civil War, what side they were on in the Civil War, and why they ended up on the side they did. So it's important to watch that all the way through. It does have some other information in it that isn't technically what we're studying, but it can't hurt to know that, and it gives you some good background information for us learning about the Civil War. I will have, even though I'm not there today, I have to go somewhere today, but I've got my cell phone with me. So if you send me a message on Canvas, I can answer you on Canvas. So if you have any questions and the substitute doesn't know, just send me a message on Canvas and I will get back to you. Otherwise, take your time, do your very best, all the things I always say to you, and I will see you all on Monday. Bye, guys.